What's up, guys? It's Fire Alarm 9200 here. Today is going to be the end of 2018. Wait. Time for a new intro. Today we are doing a little bit of a bigger New Year's sound off, especially since I acquired some new panels such as the 5820XL. And now I'm going to show you what I have up. So what's on the 5820XL starting off is pretty much what's going to be in System Test 44 if you haven't seen a sneak peek. But there is also a little addition to the 5820XL, and that is the P2W8, P2WL, P2WHLF, P1224MC, and the P241575. And this is not the only panel that's going to be activating, obviously. It is a SafeWatch Pro 3000, which has got the ATW H508, and excuse the mess, my room is never clean when I make these videos. SafeWatch Pro 3000 has the H508 connected to the 744 driver, Wave 2, RX7C, and the MPI 47. And obviously the 747 is out there. Now for the NFW50, obviously we need to have the ADTV12LX up, 7002 Ts, AES, 2 NSs and 2 ZNSs, and there's the Exceeder right here, and we got 3 Wheelock MIZs right here with a UMMT MCS. Now this, I got this from NJMoo3652, and this was actually in his New Year's sound off last year. So that's pretty cool. It's still gonna keep going. This is the DSC Power Series, which just has the DT24 and the MPI 36. The GE Concorde 4, which has a D11.6 right here. The SP36 connected to the voice driver. The ELK SS36 and the SS36P. And the 9600 has pretty much all my Edward stuff. Integrities and the Genesis, all the Genesis right here. MS4, which has just the V5 connected to it, Amsico, the Masses, and the GX90. And now I also have a Simplex 4030 right here. Dual projector connected to the 278B, and that'll also be sounding. So now we're just going to wait. Whoa, that was loud. I don't know how much I got. Wow, sure gave me a light show though, and that's doing audible silence. I didn't show the 747 though, and I forgot to set off the power series. Oh well. I guess I'll do a quick sound off. Yeah. Well, he should have a short blast. So now, I guess I'm gonna go reset everything. Starting with the MS9600. Again, kind of failed to activate everything, so I'll just do a quick ring of the Concorde 4. I was just going so fast.
Please enter code. Please enter code. Alarm canceled. System disarmed. Police panic alarm memory.
Need my firelight key. Is ADT BG12 Alexis take firelight keys. Is it just me, or does my NFW50 sound like the buzzer just got lower pitched?
Happy New Year!
Well, Happy New Year to you too. Okay. Everything is reset, so Happy New Year's, everyone. And do you guys have anything you would like to say?
Happy New Year!
Yeah, I got something to say, bro. Listen, I need you guys to get ready for my New Year's sound off. This motherfucker about to be crazy up with this motherfucker. You feel me?
Yeah, I'm filming.
Super Black Lightning, I'm out this piece.
I'm sorry, guys, but that was freaking crazy.
This is the beginning of 2019, and we have more
Armed. Stay instant.
to come. So, anyway, subscribe to the content for more. Yes, that's pretty much it. Happy New Year, all y'all. Have a fantastic day.